All right, everyone, my name is Abraham Escamilla, and today I will be showing you how to make a quick and efficient college snack. And first of all, I'm gonna start off with one question for you guys. How many of you usually bring food from home to school to eat? By a show of hands. Okay, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we got 7 people. 7. Home. Okay. And the opposite now. How many people usually get food here at school? Okay, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, okay. 5. And how many just don't eat too? Oh, okay. I didn't expect that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, you have 6. None. All right. Well, this is gonna be mostly for the people that like to bring their stuff here at school, and your snacks pretty much are a very efficient way to get your nutrition up here at school, and it's good to eat. I don't know why there's so many people that don't bring their food or even eat here. That's bizarre. Anyways, well, I'm gonna guide you in the process of how to make this peanut butter and jelly snack. All right. So the first process is everybody can start unfolding your plates already. All right. Everybody got their wrap out. I know it's kind of sticky. All right. So the first process of this is, you're just gonna scoop up your peanut butter and you're gonna put it on the first cracker as so. You're just gonna spread it. And the next step is you're just gonna scoop up some of your jelly and you're gonna put it on your cracker as so. Doesn't have to be perfect. And the last step is you're just gonna mesh it together and you have your sandwich. And there you have it. So there's a lot of food insecurities at school that's going on usually, and I don't know if you guys know this, but there is also a food pantry here at school. It's located on the Barstow side, and has anybody ever been there? Or okay, you know about it, heard about it? Yeah, it's a great place. Actually, these crackers, you can get these Ritz crackers there for free, and also some peanut butter and jelly. So what you're eating now is from the food pantry. And yeah, it's a great place for you to get your nutrition up, and also you can also get diapers there. I don't know if anybody ever knew that. Yeah, I get diapers. I just have a newborn son, so it's also a great place to get that. Yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoy the snacks. I didn't see no